A husband and wife are dead after what authorities describe as a horrifying Lyft ride in Detroit. And now nationally known civil rights attorney Ben Crump is taking on Lyft on behalf of their family. Andre and Carla Boynton, a married couple from Durham, North Carolina, traveled to Detroit earlier this year to attend a religious event. But tragically, they would never make it back home. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This story is based on publicly available court records, statements from authorities, and information released by the attorneys involved. Any criminal charges or allegations discussed in this report are allegations unless and until proven in court. Anyone charged with a crime is presumed innocent unless proven guilty. Now, here's what we know. According to authorities and attorneys representing the Boynton family, on February 22, 2026, Andre and Carla were passengers in a Lyft being driven by Theoprius Mays. What authorities allege happened during that ride is disturbing. According to prosecutors, Mays was allegedly driving at an extremely high rate of speed before losing control of the vehicle and crashing into a warehouse loading dock. Attorneys representing the Boynton family say Mays reached speeds of more than 90 miles per hour while traveling on residential streets where the posted speed limit was just 25 miles per hour. Both Andre and Carla Boynton were killed. And according to authorities, Mays allegedly fled the scene on foot following the crash. Police later arrested him. Mays now faces serious criminal charges, including 2 counts of second-degree murder, reckless driving, causing death, and leaving the scene of an at-fault accident causing death. Again, these are criminal charges. Mays is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in court. But now the Boynton family's attorneys are looking beyond the criminal case against the driver. National civil rights and personal injury attorney Ben Crump, along with attorney Kevin O'Brien, announced plans to file a lawsuit against Lyft on behalf of Andre and Carla Boynton's family. And the family's attorneys are raising serious questions about what responsibility Lyft may have for the drivers it allows onto its platform. According to Crump's announcement, Lyft promoted the religious event that the Boyntons were attending to its drivers and encouraged drivers to travel to Detroit to pick up fares associated with the event. That allegation is expected to become part of the family's civil case. Crump and the family's legal team say they intend to ask a court to hold Lyft responsible for the drivers the company approved, dispatched, and put on the road. But it is important to make a distinction here. The criminal charges are against the driver. The allegations concerning Lyft's responsibility are part of a separate civil legal action, and those claims will have to be established through the court process. Lyft will have an opportunity to respond to the allegations and defend itself. Still, this case raises a major question. How much responsibility should a rideshare company have for the drivers operating through its platform? Andre and Carla weren't driving. They were passengers who used Lyft expecting to be transported safely to their destination. Instead, their family lost them both. And this tragedy becomes even more heartbreaking when you consider the family they left behind. Andre and Carla Boynton are survived by 5 children. And according to their attorneys, the couple was also awaiting the birth of their first grandchild. They never got the opportunity to meet that grandchild. Now their children are seeking accountability for the loss of both of their parents. Ben Crump and the Boynton family's legal team are making it clear that they believe the questions surrounding responsibility should extend beyond the individual driver and include Lyft's role as the rideshare platform. The lawsuit could also raise broader questions about rideshare safety, driver screening, company oversight, and what responsibility rideshare companies have when passengers step inside vehicles arranged through their platforms. For millions of people, ordering a rideshare has become part of everyday life. You open an app. You request a ride. A driver arrives. And you trust that you'll safely reach your destination. That's why what happened to Andre and Carla Boynton is likely to resonate far beyond their family. We will continue following both the criminal case against the driver and the Boynton family's legal action against Lyft as they move through the courts. For Black Community News, I'm Danielle Glover. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you believe rideshare companies should be held legally responsible when a passenger is killed because of the alleged actions of a driver operating through their platform? Let us know what you think in the comments. And follow Black Community News for updates as this story develops.